Hey everyone, my name is Yograj Sikka. I am student of Center for Global Education at Chitkara University in collaboration with Deakin University, Australia. Today I am demonstrating my task 9.2D, which is subscription or SIT313 full stack development secure front-end applications. In this task, we are going to make an dev application for the free and premium subscription plans. In this, we had to need the new pricing plan page, for which we had to include the payment feature to our existing website, which is DevDekin application. In the premium plan, we should provide some premium features like the dark and light themes, unlimited posts, banners, etc. When we click on the plans on the navigation bar, the app will direct to the pricing plans, and the free user or the premium plans will choose the premium plans. If they choose the premium plan, it will redirect the payment page. We would be suggest to use Stripe and React Stripe.js package in it. We had to also use or complete the post feature function by using the code mirror and the React Markdown package for writing codes in the post question section. So now let's move on to the code part. So this is my code for the about.jsx, in which I had tell everything about our website. So this is my article form.jsx, which I had used earlier in the task 8.1d, and I had explained these things in the task 8.1d. So I'm just going through it from the verbally, like just going through the code and telling you why it is used, not going in the depth, because I had already explained these things in task 8.1d already. So firstly, I had made the article function. Then I had used the form dot input for inputting the data in it. Image upload for setting the URL of the image. Form dot text area for writing the text area for the abstract. Text area for the label article text. For same text area for the tags which we will be given. So now let's move on to the checkout form.jsx. This is the main file which I had used and made in this task. In this, I had imported the various libraries like card element, use stripe, use element, use navigate from the React router and React Stripe JS. After that, I had imported the authentication and database from the Firestore, and same the dog set dog at server timestamp from the Firebase and Firestore database. After that, I had made the default function, which is checkout form, in which I had used the const variable, which is stripe, using the stripe use stripe function, which is inbuilt in the stripe React Stripe JS. After that, I'd use the use navigate here to navigate the user from one page to another page, and use it for getting the fetching the data without rendering. This is the asynchronous function, which will run until or unless the promise is fulfilled or rejected. After that, I had used e.prevent default, which will turn off or stop the browser to define doing the default thing without the permission of the user. So it will give the alert message whenever the user will trying to be get purchase prime, or without logging in, it will show an alert, you must be logged to purchase prime feature or prime subscription. So after that, I had implemented or set item is prime. If the user is prime, then they will show an alert message, payment successful, you are now a prime member, until or unless it will say payment failed, upgrade failed. So this is my checkout form .jsx. This is my contact JSX. This is my find question .jsx. These are same which I had explained earlier in the task 8.1d. There is no changing in it, just a bit of change due to the css, because there is minor changes in the post feature there, so there must be minor changes in it, until or unless all the code is same, which I had explained already in the task 8.1d. So now just I'm going through the task by showing you my task which I think I had done in it. This is my home.jsx file, same as before. I had used in the task before I had made the DevDeck application. I had used Pixum for the random images, which I am using from the task 4.1c, oh sorry 5.1c or 4.1p. So this is my image upload.jsx file. This is same file like which I had submitted in the task 8.1d. There is no changes in it. There is a maximum file size for the MB is equals to 5, which denote that the file size will be not more than 5 MB. It is the maximum size. Other all things are almost same. I had used file to base 64, which will convert my URL to the 64 bytes. So that's all for my image upload code. This is my login.jsx file. It is same as the file which I had made in the task 8.1d. This is navbar.jsx file. This is payment page.jsx file in which I had imported the elements from the React Stripe JS, load Stripe from the Stripe JS, checkout form from the component folder, and payment page.css from the source before the source file before the source component. This is my secret key, or you will say publish key, which I had imported from the Stripe application, which will give you here on the dashboard. So this is just a simple Stripe code in which I had made the promise, Stripe promise. The payment way mainly only from the Stripe because it is given in the task sheet. So we had done that. This is my post button feature in which I had given the button color as gray, which is the CSS part. Here you can see it is simple. This is my post feature code, which is same as before, which I had done in the task 8.1d. This is my post type selector which I had used from the task 8.1d. Same I had explained in this in the previous video, which is for the task 8.1d. I had explained each and everything in the task 8.1d. So these are the same. So I think there is no need to explain it here. This is my new JSX file which I had created in this task. In this, I had imported use navigate check circle from the Lucid React, in which I had given the two plans. First, in the starter plan, which is free forever, and second one is the premium plan or the prime plan, which I had made here of the $49. This is also the same question form.jsx from the before task. This is the environment in which I had used the Stripe secret key front-end origin from the localhost 5000 and port 4242. This is my app.css file. This is my app.js file. This is my firebase.js file. This is my index.js file. This is my payment page.css file. This is my post feature.css file. This is my pricing plans.css file. So now let's run the code and see the project or devkin application. So you will see here I had already logged in it. So now firstly let's log out. I will show you something. If I will go to the post, it will show you are a free user, so you can be given an option for the 3 post only. There is limit for the free user to give give only 3 post in without taking a premium plan in our website. So I had an option for the code snippet optional. In this I had given the option for the many languages for the prime user, but just for a free user there is an option for JavaScript only. So there is the one good thing. I will show you something. If I will say I will write here hey, it will be show us the image, mirror image of the text we will write. Until or unless we will write an code of the JavaScript, it will write everything, every each and everything is like a mirror image. So now if I will say I will type here the code which I will copy from here. So if I will copy my code from here and type here, so you can see the code only from the JavaScript is given here in the right form. Until or unless I will type any text here, it will be like different. So now let's remove this. It is also shown as the in the live preview. And if I will submit the post, it will not able to post because we had to log in it first here. So firstly let's log in here. So I had already prime in this is in this particular account. So let's again I will show you something, how to purchase the prime here in my task. Like 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, pay. So you can see payment successful, you are now a prime member. It will redirect us to the home page after making the after becoming the prime user. So you can see here a feature will be added for the theme, from which we can control our theme from dark to light, light to dark. So you can see here if I will go there, you will show something like dark light, dark light, dark light. So now go to the post feature. Now you had the unlimited access for posting, uh, different languages options to choose whichever language you want to type. If I you can see here choose file option is not working because my fields are not completely filled here. If I will fill, you can see the option for the choosing the image will be opened here. For this I had used the third party application which is imgbb, which will store our image on their library and give the URL and send the URL data to the Firestore database. So these are the feature which I give to the premium user. This is all from my side. Thank you, have a nice day.